Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. Dear friends, in this part of JavaScript tutorial, I will talk about variables. In this video, first I will explain to you what is variable. Second, I will show you how to declare or create a variable. And third, I will show you some rules for declaring variables. So first, let us see what is variable. In fact, variables are nothing but the containers for storing data value. Now let us practically see what does that mean by saying variables are nothing but the containers for storing data value. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to now let us use script tag and body section. Now let us create variable. Here, as you can see, by using var keyword, I have created a variable. The name of variable is myvar, and this data is assigned as a value to myvar variable. It means that this data will be stored inside this variable. The name of variable is myvar. Here, myvar variable acts as a container for this data. That is why we say that variable is nothing but the container which is used for storing data value. Now, if you want to see what is stored inside this variable, by using document.write method, we can easily display the value of variable on browser. Now let us display the value of myvar variable on web browser. Let us use document.write method. Between opening and closing parentheses, type the name of variable. The name of variable is myvar. Put semicolon at the end. Now let us save the file and see we could display the value of myvar variable on browser or not. Go to file, select on save command. As you can see, the value of myvar variable is displayed on browser. Now let us see some rules which is used while creating variable in JavaScript. The first rule is variable names can contain letters, digits, underscore, and dollar sign. Second rule is variable name must begin with letter, underscore, and dollar sign. Variable name cannot be started by using number. Third rule is reserved words cannot be used as a variable name. And fourth rule is variable in JS is case sensitive. Lowercase y and uppercase y is totally different variable name. Okay guys, this was the explanation and example of variable in JavaScript. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.